guys, what's going on? My name is Jack. Today we're going to be unboxing a bunch of RC car parts. Now most of the stuff is Slash related. There is a few Axial Yeti parts I believe in there, but I'm going to be making my own chassis and my own roll cage. This is a series that I'm starting on this channel. It's new. Be sure to check out the channel, subscribe to it, this and that, because I'm going to be posting updates as I go with this build and let you guys know what's going on. So we're going to be unboxing a bunch of stuff today. Pretty much almost everything except for the electronics, I believe. I think I have almost all the parts. That's why I'm unboxing it today. And I want to see if I'm missing some things. And we're going to start assembling this car and get it going. Hopefully by January or February have it completely done. It is November, almost end of November right now. So yeah, we'll see. Let's get to unboxing. Alright guys, so you can tell this is pretty much all the packages here, as well as this box and that box. So pretty much all these packages that you see right here are all RC car stuff. I turned them face down so you guys don't see my address. So let's get to opening these guys. We're just going to go ahead and rip around there and see what we got. What's our first box? Looks like we got a Proline part, and it seems to be... Alright, so you're looking at the first thing we unbox is the Proline front hub kit. So it's plastic, not aluminum. The reason why I chose plastic was because honestly the money, I spent a lot of money on all this stuff and I don't even have a truck yet, so I want to kind of just get everything together and make sure everything works, and then maybe later on upgrade to aluminum. But I heard a lot of good things about this plastic stuff for now, so the Proline stuff is definitely the way to go, I think. So that's good. On to our next package. We're just going to kind of rip this sucker. Oh, this looks to be like our hubs. I think they're called hubs. So it's like a locking nut, I guess. What else we got in here? I believe that is it. Let's get on to the next package. Ooh, what do we got in here? Looks like the front bulk piece. Yeah, so it's the front lower arm mount. Made for a Slash. Now, I wanted my front end based off of the Slash pretty much. You know, I don't know. I mean, like a lot of people kind of did scaling off the Slash, and I thought I'd do the same. So this is like an alloy type of metal. It's like gunmetal finish, I believe. It's really nice looking. That's where all our front end's going to be mounted to. So all our steering component stuff and the axles that go to the wheels and hubs and everything, it's all going to be mounted to this, the bulkhead. Except for shock towers. I believe I'm going to make my own shock towers, so that will be cool. So there's that. That's neat. Now on to the next package. What do we got here? Oh, some pins. I ordered some pin deals. ST Racing Concepts. They made these pins. I think there's another set in there. Maybe not. Nope, that's it. Okay. So pins for, I can't remember what exactly they were for. Alright, what do we got in here? I like how I just rip these things right open and straight to the business. Ooh, wrapped in bubble. Oh, this looks like the steering control deals. Alright guys, so this is what I ordered off of eBay. Now, what you're looking at is like most of the steering component stuff. This hooks up to the servo deal, and it pivots and it'll steer pretty much to the front end. It was off a new Slash. I don't know if they were swapping parts and they just, you know, they sold a bunch on eBay, but they could be replacement parts too. Some guy aftermarket stuff. I don't know. But it comes in a Ziploc bag, so definitely kind of weird. But yeah, so this will be apparently steering the truck. So we got to hook everything up eventually. But yeah, so there's that. All right, so we have another box here. And this looks like to be shock oil. 50 weight is what I went with. I just ordered one bottle for now because I don't really know how much I'm going to need. So why order too much when you can just try out one for now? We're going to see how that will go. So shock oil, definitely a plus. Ooh, guys, this is a nice piece here that I ordered. It was very expensive. This is the lower arms for my truck that I'm building. It came from Metal Concepts. I'm excited to see the quality of these pieces. I believe it was $45 for this pair. Now those are pretty nice. Look at that. Let me focus on that. Pretty nice pieces. The lower front end arms. So this would be, you know, I don't even know which side, but I mean, come on guys, this is an RC car. It's pretty neat. Really dig that. Cool piece. I already know what these are, I think. These feel like tires. So these are the tires for the truck. Came off of eBay. They were $30. You know, I didn't want to go too crazy on purchasing some expensive tires and wheels. You know, I gotta make sure I want to build the truck first, make sure everything's cool. Then we'll upgrade the wheels as we go, as well as the rims. But I just went with the cheap option for now. You know, we'll see. Eventually, I want to get some sand tires too for the dunes. I think that would be pretty sick. Also, I did get a pair of 4. Just didn't pull the other one out because it's the same thing. You guys don't need to see both, but do nice. So, tires, eBay, $25. Can't go wrong with that for now. You best believe King shocks. So I got King shocks for my truck. Whoops, I accidentally showed you guys my address, so I cut that bit. Sorry about that. So this is the rear, the 120, and then that's the front, 110. So we're going with the 120 in the rear and a 110 in the front. That's gonna be my setup. I think I'll like it. Talked to a few people and that seems to be pretty common to do that. So we're gonna go ahead and give it a try. But yeah, King shocks, I'm really excited to try these guys. Definitely nice pieces. So, yep, King shocks, yeah. So we're opening up this box. If I can get the damn tape off. Oh, so I ordered some scale RC parts. I'm pretty pumped about that, guys. This came off of eBay. It was used, but I got a good deal for it. So it includes a jack stand and things like that. I'll show you guys in the end everything I got. That is pretty sick. Metal Concepts, rear end axle. Really, really sick. I'm honestly like smiling right now on how cool this looks. Definitely a piece that I'm excited to own. Wow, definitely pretty neat. I mean, look at that. Beautiful. Definitely one of the most expensive pieces I think of the lot was this axle. It was a big purchase. It was damn near $200 for this thing. So, but I mean, honestly guys, it's worth it. I was talking to some people, they blow out some other axles and they ordered this one from Metal Concepts and they say this one holds up fairly well. Why does this thing keep going out of focus? Whoops. I guess I've been pretty much waiting the whole video for this one. Here we go. Bam. What does that look like to you guys? There's some other stuff in here as well. We have upper trailing arms and lower trailing arms. I will get to that in a second. But yeah, so we pretty much have everything to complete the rear end. Minus, actually, I don't know, we have a lot of stuff, guys. I don't know, maybe I'll start piecing some of this together. But yeah, so the rear end is pretty nice. Look at that, sick. And then there's our upper trailing arms, the little guys, and then our, that we just dropped. And there's our lower trailing arms. I'll open those and show you guys in the review in the end. So let's go to the last piece. I ordered a Proline body off of eBay, used, lightly used, and it cost me like 30 bucks. And it was already painted, it was lightly used, so I figured, why not? I'm gonna be beating on the truck. I don't need to buy a new body. There's no reason for me, I mean, I don't really do RC car stuff, but I have a little common sense. I don't wanna go spend, you know, 60, 70 bucks on a new clear body and then paint it and everything, and just to learn on it and go beat it up. So this is pretty much what this purpose is for this body. So it's in here. I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap it. That's pretty cool. So here is the body. Oh, crap out of here. It's the Ford Raptor body for the trophy truck. I can already tell I'm gonna be cutting out this whole back end half here for all the trophy truck stuff that I will be doing. But it's a pretty nice body, guys. I paid 30 bucks for this. It's already painted, already has the decals looking on there pretty good. So I'm stoked off of this buy. Everything's already cut, ready to go. I can modify anything I need. So yeah, really hyped off of that. That's gonna be the final piece for this unboxing video. So I'm gonna go ahead and put everything down and let you guys see what I got for everything total. All right, guys, so this is pretty much majority of the parts that's going to be on my trophy truck that I'm building. Now, I'm missing a few things like the drive shaft and stuff like that, but it's in shipping right now. It's coming, but so we're just missing like the electronics, like I said. That will be in another video. But we're just missing electronics and chassis stuff, which I'll be building my own chassis. So all the chassis stuff that amounts to everything will be building. Me and my friend are going to be taking the chassis and roll cage head on. So stay tuned for that. Hit that sub button so you guys can stay tuned and up to date with that. Now let's get into some of the stuff that we have here. So we have the Metal Concepts lower trailing and upper trailing arms, as well as all these little pieces that come with the Metal Concepts rear axle. Also these jack stands, little jack stands, as well as little scale toys that I purchased on eBay used. I think I paid $17 for the whole lot, maybe $20. Very good deal, considering they want $18 just for 2 of those. So definitely scored on picking up some used ones. And they're in really good condition. Like, you guys can't really tell it's even used. So really hyped on that. Here's our $25 shitty eBay tires that I'm probably gonna roast here in like the first run, but didn't want to go crazy on that. So we'll see how they hold up. But I'm definitely gonna upgrade to some, hopefully aluminum or some type of metal rim, stronger than plastic. That's just my personal preference. Steering components. Now this will be hooked up to the electronics, and it'll pretty much pivot the whole front end, steer the tires left and right. Those are the front lower arms, as you can see. Front lower arms for my truck, made by Metal Concepts once again. Very nice piece. Proline front hub. So this is what the wheel will bolt to, so that's the whole hub system. Plastic, but it will work for now. Eventually we'll upgrade to aluminum. That's like a locking nut deal for the hub. Goes in there. I'm not entirely sure. I have to look it up again. The pin for something that I can't remember what I needed. I think it was something to do with the rear end pin. Maybe the front. I think it was the front pin for the hub deal. Goes in one of those, I want to say. Maybe that slot. Looks about right. So yeah, there's that. As well as our shock oil. 50 weights, what I'll be running. I'll let you guys know how that goes. And our rear suspension, 120 millimeter. And our 110 millimeter for our front, and our Proline used body that we scooped on eBay for a whopping $30-ish, $35. Very cheap. So hyped up on that. Definitely a good purchase. So that's it, guys. That's the whole lot right here. Really excited. Got some cool stuff going on, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so that's going to wrap up this video. Leave a comment, leave a like, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll be sure to be posting updates. Might not be very soon, it might be in a month or so, but I'll keep you guys posted on what's going on. And yeah, I'm happy to try out this thing. You know, it's totally new to me, and I'll share everything and every problem that I encounter. I'll try my best to pretty much record everything and let you guys know how the whole build goes and what goes into making your own roll cage and your own aluminum chassis for your own RC car. So if you want to build something at home, I want to be able to go and say, you know, hey, check out this video I did. This will show you how you can do that yourself at home, what you're going to need, and how you can do it. So that's my whole goal for this video series on this trophy truck build. There's a few videos out there, but not all of them really show step by step. You know, they kind of, okay, here's step 1, here's step 2, here's step 7. Like, they just missed a few. So that's my whole goal, is to kind of fill in the blanks. The simple things that the guys who build them don't really think to record because it's so simple, but somebody like me who hasn't built an RC car doesn't know it's a very crucial step for me. So, you know, I'll try my best to link every part that I use. So if you even want to build your own trophy truck like mine, you guys can just copy my parts and go for it. So yeah, that's going to be it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.